Welcome back, everyone, to our Wednesday night newscast. Mike Schultz with you once again talking weather. Did you see the northern lights last night? Putting on a great show all over the sky. Really beautiful. I'm sure we'll be getting some more photographs of those in the days to come. But tonight, our photograph is a beautiful color. As you can see, the richness in this William Blizzard. Oh, great name. I still think he should be a weatherman with that name. His clouds retreating. He got this shot not too far away from the ski land area. As you can see, once again, beautiful colors. And we always get great sunsets here in the Fairbanks area. Photos at KTVF11.com. If you have one you want to share, by all means, send it. Our numbers look like this. 20 degrees currently after a high of 21. The low last night, 12. Our record high, 40 degrees. That was set in 1911. 50 below in 1937. Sunrise and sunset, about 8 hours and 46 minutes. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. What's going on our satellite and radar? Again, you can see the clouds are starting to thin out a little bit. We're getting a little more clearing over the southeastern sections. So there's still some heavy cloudiness there. But the west is not nearly as bad as they're expecting. They were looking at a winter storm conditions yesterday, but now it looks like things are just not nearly as intense as they were expecting. That's good news, I guess, except you need more snow for the Iditarod, obviously. But the folks in Nome are getting about 4 to 6 inches. It's not too bad. Well, elsewhere across the state, you can see we're looking at a little shower activity around Ketchikan, some mixed rain and snow at Juneau, a few showers around Kodiak. Nice day in Anchorage, 32 degrees, freezing there. Along the Aleutian Chain, not too bad, 38 at Cold Bay. Nome about 24 degrees, Barrow at 4 above, how about that? And Fort Yukon at 14 degrees above zero with some scattered snow shower activity. Lower 48 weather. The rains have returned to the Pacific Northwest, 53 degrees at Seattle. Nice day in Las Vegas. Not too bad in Denver, 47 degrees there. Elsewhere across the northern plains, a little bit of a respite from the real cold temperatures, although Chicago, 8 degrees. That's pretty darn chilly for them. 31 degrees and a little more light snow in the New York area. On the satellite and radar, again, you can see that jet stream really well defined, just taking a big dive down to the south. Again, helping to pull all that cold air in from Canada, and it's working its way in from Siberia, and then working its way on down into the lower 48. What it all means is another storm system that is expected to bring more snow to the folks in the Northeast, unfortunately, Friday and Saturday night. And another ice storm is possible all the way from the deep south into the, into the Pittsburgh and Philadelphia areas. So not too good weather there. The jet stream is changing a little bit. It's still pulling down that cold air, but it's kind of spreading it out a little bit in the long range for over the weekend. So rain is expected, not cold enough for snow, and a mix of rain and snow possibly over the Northeast. Well, nice weather is expected to return to the West Coast. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. For the northern sections, scattered snow showers for Barrow, snow at Nome, and cloudy skies in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, another nice day expected, just scattered clouds for Fairbanks. Partly cloudy skies for Healy and Delta Junction. While over the southeastern sections, it looks like dense morning fog with rain for Juneau, and once again, more rain likely in the Ketchikan region. Over the southwest part of the state, rain at Cold Bay, periods of snow in Bethel, and partly cloudy for Kodiak, so a real mixed bag of weather there. And over the south central sections, it looks like for the most part, partly cloudy skies for Anchorage and Homer, with mixed rain and snow showers in the Valdez region. All right, time once again for our weather fact for this week, as the kids are getting a break. And our weather fact is happening in the year 1990. The Grand Canyon in Arizona had a winter storm, dropped more than a foot of snow. That's not very often that happens. It was on the southern rim. And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And speaking of the kids, well, we're going to be visiting once again with the kids from Weller Elementary School next week. So here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 1 degree below zero, partly cloudy, a little colder. Watch for more auroras. Tomorrow's forecast, 24 degrees, partly cloudy, and continued mild. And the extended forecast, still looking at warmer temperatures right on through the weekend into the first part of next week. Maybe some light snow over the weekend, possibly, but nothing really heavy expected. The key word is warm temperatures. Once again, very mild. Overnight lows 15 to 16 above for the overnight lows. That's incredible for this time of year.